In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Brevo to N8N. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly link these two platforms, opening up a world of automation opportunities. So, let's get started. First, we need to head over to Brevo's website. Open your browser and go to brevo.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate your profile options. Look at the top right corner of the page, where you'll see a profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This is where you'll manage your account preferences and integrations. Next, in the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled SMTP and API. Click on this to proceed. This section is crucial, as it houses the API settings you'll need to connect with N8N. Now, within the SMTP and API section, click on API Keys and MCP. This is where you generate and manage your API keys, which are essential for connecting Brevo to external applications like N8N. Once you're in the API Keys and MCP section, look for the button that says Generate API Key. Clicking this will prompt you to enter some details. You'll need to give your API key a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you remember what this key is for, such as N8N integration. Additionally, you may be asked to set an expiry date for the key. Consider how long you'll need the integration for, and set the expiry accordingly. This step is important for maintaining the security of your account. After you've entered the necessary details, click Generate. Brevo will then create your API key. Make sure to copy this key somewhere safe because you'll need it in just a moment. Now that you have your API key, it's time to move over to N8N. Navigate to n8n.io in your browser. Once there, you'll see an option to add a first step. Click on this to start setting up your automation workflow. In the search bar that appears, type Brevo and click on it when it shows up in the list. This will add Brevo to your workflow as a step. With Brevo selected, you'll need to choose a trigger. The trigger is what will start your automation process. Select the one that fits your needs best. After selecting a trigger, you'll see an option to Set up credentials. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to paste the API key you copied earlier from Brevo. Carefully paste the API key into the designated field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the key, as this can cause connection issues. Once you've pasted the API key, click Save. This step ensures that N8N is authorized to interact with your Brevo account. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Brevo to N8N. This integration allows you to automate a range of processes, saving you time and effort. Don't forget to test your setup to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, double-check your API key and expiry settings. And remember, you can always return to Brevo's API settings if you need to generate a new key. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.